美国司法部于本月17日正式致函加州多个主要郡警察局，要求地方执法机关提供监狱中无证移民在押人员的罪名信息及预计释放日期。此举引发强烈反响。对此，洛杉矶郡警长 Robert Luna 于当天下午作出回应，明确指出，根据加州参议院第54号法案及2020年通过的洛郡移民合作政策，地方执法部门在没有法官签署的司法逮捕令的情况下，无法协助联邦移民官员移交或披露在押人员信息。卢纳进一步表示，洛杉矶郡警局的监狱系统并不记录在押人员的移民身份，警方既不会主动询问，也无法提供相关数据。若要满足司法部的要求，将需要对现有系统进行重大改造。
To clarify the Sheriff's Department's policies regarding our limited cooperation with the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement. This is an important topic, and I completely understand the concern, the fear, and anxiety from our community here in Los Angeles County, specifically our immigration community. The Sheriff's Department, our Sheriff's Department, let me start that all over again. The Sheriff's Department complies fully with California Senate Bill 54 and the 2020 Los Angeles County policy, which prohibits local law enforcement from cooperating with federal immigration officials except under very specific and lawful circumstances. We do not honor ICE detainers or request for transfers. We do not allow immigration officials to operate within our facilities. And we do not permit the use of county property, databases, or personnel by ICE. In 2024, just to give you an example, we received 995 civil detainer requests from ICE and did not comply with any of them because that would violate both state law and county policy. We will only transfer an individual into ICE custody if we are presented with a federal judicial warrant that's signed by a judge. That is consistent with California law and county policy. We have and we will continue to honor federal judicial warrants. These warrants are an effective and peaceful vehicle in transferring individuals who have committed violent or serious crimes. To date, we have transferred 20 individuals under these specific circumstances. Most of these individuals have had serious or violent charges such as attempted murder, robbery, rape, and sexual battery. So just more specific regarding ICE transfers in the month of May, we transferred 8 individuals, and in the month of June, we transferred 12 individuals. Now, our department, just for clarification for everybody, does not ask for a person's immigration status when we're responding to calls for service, when we're investigating crimes, when we arrest or book an individual into our custody. So for those who ask us, hey, how many people do you have in custody that are immigrants? We don't know the answer to that because none of us ask that question. The department does not ask, nor does it possess any information about citizenship for the status of individuals in our custody. I just want to reemphasize that. Citizenship status has no bearing on a person's custodial status or their conditions of confinement. And I do want to stress, because we're talking about people in custody, for anybody specifically in our immigrant communities, if you call the police, if you call 911 or you call the 7-digit line and you are a victim of a crime or you are a witness to a crime, you will not be asked for your immigration status. And as a matter of fact, that is something that greatly concerns all of us, because we don't want people to stop calling us when they see something that occurs. Or worse yet, they're a victim of a crime because they believe that we are involved in some immigration enforcement or civil immigration enforcement, and we are not. Again, I just want to make sure everybody understands that. When an individual is booked or processed, their fingerprints are live scanned and automatically uploaded into a national database that is accessible to other law enforcement agencies. And that's state, regional, and federal agencies. For transparency purposes, information about individuals in our custody, including their name, booking number, and scheduled release time or date, is publicly posted on our website at lasd.org. So any of you at any time can go to that website and find somebody who's in custody and when their release date is going to occur. That information is available to everyone, including federal law enforcement, and it is updated on a daily basis. Recently, we heard that there was a letter that would be sent to sheriffs in major California counties requesting the names of all non-citizens in their custody, but at this time, we have not officially received this letter. We've heard about it, but haven't actually seen it, and this letter comes from the U.S. Attorney at the United States Department of Justice. Once we receive the letter, we will absolutely review it to determine what information, if any, we can legally provide. And we'll check with our attorneys at county council, and there may be a conflict between state law and federal law, and we'll let our attorneys guide us in that direction. So in closing, I would like to make it very clear, our mission and priority is the safety, security, and trust, and that we cannot do our jobs without public trust in our community, not civil immigration enforcement.
司法部长 Pamela Bondi 在声明中表示，他期待与加州各警长合作，并希望各警长自愿提供所要求的信息，否则司法部也不排除通过传票或其他强制程序获取信息的可能。